All right, guys, today's the day, and I'm taking you with me. We're going to go pick up, after a year without a truck, an entire year of making payments without a truck, we're going to go pick up our new 2021 AT4. All right, here we go. First start, 3-liter 2021 AT4. Foot on the brake. Ignition. 46 miles. Alrighty, so we are going to get this thing out on the highway at 152 miles. We're at 95.7 on the DPF, and we are going to go ahead and get it done with its first regen, and well, find out if we have a dud or not. If we have one with bad sensors, it's going to show up during this regen. I'm just going to put her on the highway. I'm not going to run her up and try to get super high EGTs on her first regen, but we're just going to put her on the highway and run 60, 65 miles an hour and just see what she gets. It's relatively flat, a little bit of elevation, but not really much. And yeah, we'll just kind of go from there. So far, I'm really liking it. This AT4 suspension is really good. It's stiffer than the X31 from the Elevation. This only weighs about 100 pounds more than my Elevation did. But it just seems to really, it just works. The Elevation was just too soft. We'll know when this breaks in. Granted, the Elevation drove really well until it broke in, but this feels like it's just going to be a much better experience here with this AT4 compared to the Elevation and compared to even the LTZ 4x4 that I had at the very beginning. Yes, this is my third General Motors truck of this body style in a year. You know, it still does get a little choppy over certain impacts, but there's a road down here that absolutely maxes out the suspension of everything, even like Raptors. And this seems to do really well. And I'm not saying it's a Raptor competitor, nowhere near, but I'm very impressed so far. And it makes me wonder if the King shocks are even worth it. But yeah, I'll come back to you during the regen. All right. So we have begun regen. The temperatures are coming up. And we are not on the freeway because I had to drive around for a little bit. Sorry about that reflection there. Yeah, let's see what happens. This is 163 miles. Probably happen is I will probably end up getting on the freeway, and as soon as I get on the freeway, it will probably complete. Oh, whoa. Jeez, I can really smell it. Shit. Oh, God, can this traffic get moving, please? Oh, Jesus. It really should automatically go to recirculate whenever it goes into regen. Oh, boy. Just take a look at the oil temps. Oh, hit the button. that's not too bad. 234 on the oil temp, 216 on the coolant, 259 coming out of the head. And if anybody ever wondered, there is you guys cannot see that. There is how it behaves when it's in regen at idle. You see the VGT's open, that's where you get the sound. Complete. We're at 6.7 on the DPF, and the temperatures are coming down. So there we go. All right, so here's how you force engine braking to happen.